Today, state public health officials relaxed their recommendations for wearing face masks indoors. Here to talk about that and so much more, Dr. Todd Ellerin, Chief of Infectious Diseases at South Shore Health. Nice to see you, Doctor.
Hey, Dr. T. Great to see you. So you've had a chance to review this new guidance, and obviously it is a moving target because it keeps changing. But let's go through some of the major parts. People who are not vaccinated against COVID-19 need to continue wearing masks indoors. But if you are fully vaccinated, the state now says you should wear a mask indoors if you have a weakened immune system or are at increased risk for severe disease, or if someone in your household is at an increased risk. So do you think that's enough to protect people who are vulnerable?
I think these recommendations make sense, Ed, okay? The Department of Public Health is focusing on the vulnerable individuals, whether it's elderly, immunocompromised, chronic medical conditions, or the unvaccinated. Those folks, they're recommending should continue to wear masks indoors. But if you're otherwise healthy and fully vaccinated, they're saying it's okay to take your masks off if you choose to. Again, it's a personal decision at that point.
So, but I just want to make a clarification. This new guidance does not mention healthy vaccinated people specifically, but it's implied that they no longer need to wear the face masks indoors. So do you agree with that?
I think you're spot on, Maria. Again, we could talk about the timing of this. Should it have been done in 2 more weeks to, coincide with Governor Baker's? But I think the bottom line is the guiding principle is focusing on that vulnerable people should continue to wear masks indoors. I think that makes sense right now.
Dr. T, we have a couple of viewer questions. So this one comes to us from Rose, and she asks, do you think that COVID numbers will go up after the February school vacation, which is what, next week, right? The vacation itself is next week, right? Will teachers have to be tested again before they return to the classroom like they did after the Christmas break?
Yeah.
Again, this will be left to the individual school districts and schools to make that decision. But remember, the percentage positivity right now is down to 3%. It is coming down dramatically. Now, with that said, in some other countries, the decline has slowed, probably as people have taken their masks off and as there's been a little bit more of that Omicron sibling. So I can't say that I don't think things are going to go up significantly after February vacation. Might the decrease slow down and broaden a little bit? We've had that ice pick, which has been very nice, up quickly, down quickly. I think it may slow, but I think we're going in the right direction and will continue to go in the right direction, pending no new variants that, don't play ball with us.
So I ask you this all the time. I've been asking you this for 2 years now. You can answer it quickly because we have to go. Are you hopeful?
Maria, I am so hopeful. Whoa. There is no question about that.
There you go.
Great.
Dr. T, you ended it on a great note. Great to see you.
Thanks, Dr.